This is about to tell you how you're gonna vet that man, right? Look, if you're a good woman, right? You didn't tally a whole bunch of bodies while you were in college or whatnot. You did everything right. You got a decent job or whatnot. Listen, right? I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna have a successful marriage, right? We already know that, marriage right now, the marriage proposition is not very inviting. It's a 50-50 chance that, it's gonna end in divorce. But this is how you're gonna vet that man. Number one, does he got a job? Does he have a job, right? Is he able to maintain himself, right? Number two, right? Does he keep himself in shape, right? Because health is important. A man that does not keep himself in shape, right? Chances are you're going to be taking care of this man for the rest of your life. You don't want that. Number three, you need to take time and really vet this man to make sure that this man does not have anger issues or emotional problems, right? Number four, and this is the biggest one, right? This is the biggest one. Check this out. You need to take this man to your father, your uncles, or whatnot, because listen, just like women know how to spot bullshit from other women, men, we can spot bullshit from other women as well. So listen, right? If you follow those 4 rules, good woman, right? You haven't, you did right in college. You didn't rack a whole bunch of bodies, right? And now you're ready to settle down in your 20s. Check this out. Follow those 4 rules, and you'll be good to go.